born to fish. You know the feeling. You pour a ton of energy into your family, friends, and work. But instinct always drives your thoughts to the water where your best life awaits. Early mornings, midday sun, setting sun. Your fix is that bite and ensuing fight, and delivering the same experience for others. For many of us, a 16-foot fishing boat is the quintessential tool for delivering the ultimate fishing experience. It's big enough to accommodate passengers, handle big water in pursuit of trophy fish, yet nimble enough to slip through the shallows while tucking away comfortably in your garage. The Lund 1650 Angler lineup delivers all of the above with unmatched performance, versatility, and affordability for a 16-foot fishing boat. This well-appointed lineup is available in a full windshield, side console, or tiller model. We give you the options to choose the best fit. All models come with loads of smart fishing features and comfort, so nothing is sacrificed, be it hardcore angling, backwoods adventuring, or family cruising and fishing outings. This year is your year to put daydreams into action with slimy palms and memories to last a lifetime. The 1650 Angler just might be the ideal boat to get you there.